good afternoon or you say there you farm somewhere. I just came in this afternoon. The water is finished, although some are still remaining down there, but this front side is finished. So I want to add up for them another 50 liters. Now the way why they look this verse, from morning where I come here, and every this size they do. It can't be like say from morning till now where I come, like say the verse then add like say tomorrow no day. In the morning, no be like this verse then do. Wetin una chop wey make una come big like this afternoon? I be here dey swell bed, dey make birds dem swell. Just everybody put head, dey chop, dey stagger, dey chop. Wow, the thing surprise me. I come dey wonder whether person add birds here. They are growing well. And sizes are okay. So guys, na so I see am o. Hope you guys are doing well out there. Bye. Have a nice day ahead.